Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change screenshot saving location on your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, you all might be knowing how to take screenshot in Mac. If you don't know, then let me tell you that if you press Command, Shift and number key 3, it will take screenshot. And whenever you take screenshot, it will appear down here. If you tap on it, you can just check or review the screenshot, and if you want to save it, you can just simply tap on done option. Now when I press done, you can see the screenshot is saved on my desktop. But what if I want to change the location? I don't want my screenshot to be saved on desktop. I want to save it to other location. So in that case, all you can do is just simply press Command, Shift and number key 5 at the same time. You will get a pop-up window or a bar like this. Simply go to options, and then at the very top you see there is an option of save to. Now currently you can see desktop is selected, which is why whenever I record the screen or if I take a screenshot, it will be saved to desktop. But in order to change the location, you have multiple options. Either you can select documents, you can select clipboard, mail, preview. But if you want to choose any specific folder, then you can simply select other location option over here and you will get a pop-up window like this. Now again over here you can choose a specific folder. If you want to keep it to desktop, you have that option over here. But if you want to suppose save to download, you can select download over here. And if you want to add a new folder there, simply select new folder option. You can rename it as screenshot and then create the folder. And once you create the folder, we are already in that folder, you can see, and then simply select choose option. Now what will happen is next time onwards, if I take any particular screenshot, you can see if I select done option over here, it will save the screenshot to downloads in screenshot folder. So to check that, you can just simply go to Finder, go to download, and over here you can see this is the recent screenshot which I have taken. So yeah, this is how simple it is to change screenshot saving location in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.